Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Windows 10 for free from Microsoft. So let's begin the tutorial. So go to google.com and type here in the search bar Windows 10 download, press enter, and now click on this first link, microsoft.com. Now click on download tool now. So here it is given to get started. You will first need to have a license to install Windows 10. You can then download and run the media creation tool. So to activate the Windows after you have installed the Windows 10, you need to have valid license key for the activation. So after you have downloaded the download tool, run download tool. Click yes. Now this will take few minutes to get started. Now here you will see two options: upgrade this PC now. If you want to upgrade Windows 7 or Windows 8 PC, then you can use these options to upgrade your Windows. And if you want to create an installation media in USB pen drive, then click here, second option, and click next. Now by default it is selected. Use the recommended options for this PC. So if you want to download Windows 10 for 32-bit versions, then you can select 32-bit or 64-bit, or if you want to download 32-bit and 64-bit, you can select both. You can select the language from the drop-down list and click on next. Here you'll get two options: USB flash drive. It needs to be at least 8 GB. So if you want to directly copy your Windows 10 files to USB pen drive, then you can use these options. Or if you want to download as an ISO file so that you can create bootable pen drive later on, then you can select these options and click next, and select your locations to save your ISO file of Windows 10. Click save to save the ISO file, and this will begins the download process. Depending on your internet speed, this will take times. Once the download process is done, you'll get your Windows 10 ISO file in your saved location. Now you can use this ISO file to make a bootable pen drive and install Windows 10 on a laptop or a computer using a bootable pen drive. So in this way you can download Windows 10 for free from Microsoft official website. So if you're finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and thanks for watching my video.